Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. If you're like me and love raising beautiful flowers and delicious vegetables, our new Sunshine Natural and Organic Flower and Vegetable Soil is the perfect choice for success. The unique blend is specially formulated to boost existing garden soil for higher performing flowers, herbs, and vegetables. Sunshine Natural and Organic Flower and Vegetable Soil contains a fertile blend of Canadian sphagnum peat moss, processed bark, and compost. It adds valuable organic matter to gardens for improved soil structure, which is vitally important for growing success. Soils high in organic matter have superior aeration and drainage for better root development, and they hold water better to increase plant performance during wet and dry periods. Organic matter also allows soil to breathe, increasing essential available oxygen at the root zone. This amendment is very easy to apply. Just mix it into your planting beds to a depth of 8 to 10 inches by tilling or turning it with a garden fork. Applying a 2-to-1 ratio of Sunshine Natural and Organic Flower and Vegetable Soil to your garden soil will yield the best results in most situations. Visit sunshinemixes.com to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos and articles. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service. Plants love sunshine, and so will you.